We can also divide fractions without using a diagram. Here, we're going to just sort of think about what it was that we actually did when we divided by a fraction. We took the diagram for 2/3 and we broke it into every piece into two sections. So instead of being out of 3, it's out of 6. And instead of having 2 parts, each of those 2 parts is now divided into 2 pieces. So there's 4 parts. So what we've really done is we've made an equivalent fraction by timesing the top and the bottom by the whole number. And now we're going to divide it by 2. If I take 4/6 and I take half of them, there are now only 2/6, which in lowest terms is 1/3. We can do the same thing with the 1/4. We're going to make a new fraction that has a denominator that is the product of 4 and 3, which is 12. And the numerator has to be also times by 3, which makes that 3/12. And we're dividing this into 3 sections. So 3/12 divided by 3 is 1/12. So we're really just using a denominator that is a product of the whole number and the denominator. So let's take an opportunity to try and do some practice with dividing a fraction by a whole number. 3/2 divided by 4. One way is to make equivalent fractions. I want to times the numerator and the denominator by 4, so we get 12/8. And if I have 12 pieces and to divide them into 4 sections, I should get 3 sections left out of 8. And we'll double check that using the diagram here. On this diagram, here's 0, here's 1. So this fraction here must represent 1.5 or 3/2. Now we'd like to divide this into 4 sections. So I'm going to take every piece and divide it into 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces. So now each of these sections represents 1/8. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12/8, which is actually the same fraction as what we have down here. And we have these 12 pieces, and we're going to divide them into 4 equal sections. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4 equal sections. And this section is 1, 2, 3/8, which gives us our answer. So, take an opportunity now and try to divide the 3 remaining questions, and we'll take a look at them next day in class.